Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
I'm going to show you a very legitimate way that will get you some better results, and you won't get banned from Facebook because you're spamming. No, this takes it to a whole new level. This is a brand new strategy. Not many people are talking about doing it this way, and I want you to sit down. I want you to concentrate, and I want you to listen and take notes. Do not skip ahead in this video because there are many different websites we're going to be discussing in this video presentation on how you can get a lot of money, like maybe even 50 cents to $5 very, very easily. Anyways, it could be a lot more than that, but you get it again and again and again and again and again. Oh, did I say again? Well, multiply that times 1,000 more every single day if you have the traffic, and we're going to go over that as well. That's why I do not want you to skip ahead in these videos. All right? I'm going to be going over them step by step by step by step. Okay? So, let's go to the very first site, and that is AF Plus. AF Plus is what they call a CPA marketplace, a CPA marketplace. And CPA means cost per action. That means that the person doesn't need to necessarily buy the product in order for you to get paid. No, all they have to do is to sign up to an affiliate program just by putting in their email address, and bang, you get paid. This is one of the higher paying CPA marketplaces that are out there. So let's go through this step by step on how you can get some money and make this work for you. And this is just a strategy, folks, that just shows you what is possible. This is not a guaranteed income. You have to put some effort into this, and you have to stay consistent with this in order for this strategy to work. But what makes this unique is that it is safe. This is not spamming your links all over Facebook. Facebook does not like you to do that. And as a group monitor myself, if I see that in my group, I erase it, and Facebook is alerted to that, and it can get you banned if you spam on my group, or anybody else's. So we want to avoid that, and I'm going to show you a very safe and simple way of marketing on Facebook without spamming. Okay? So that's what this video is basically all about. And you can use any affiliate link and use this very same strategy. It does not have to be just App Plus, but I'm just showing you a simple way to do it. And, people don't like to necessarily shell out $185 for XScan PPS responsive. We want to avoid that type of stuff, and then go on to the Facebook groups and then go ahead and spam that link all over the place. You're not going to make any money, and the results, well, it could get you banned. So let's get into this. So on AF Plus, you want to type in some sort of niche. And if you don't know what a niche is, look it up on Google. I also have some videos that I put up last week about how to choose a niche. So let's look, just for the sake of this video, let's type in weight loss and see what pops up. Okay. And all right, so here we go. These are all the different programs that they have on here. All right, here's some for $600, $35, $32, $15. My suggestion is to keep it simple. Concentrate on the lower end of these numbers, because for a person to shell out, though it's $600, and you get a lot of money doing that. Here's another one. Not a lot of people have that type of money, and we want to get more sales for you. More sales equals more revenue for you. So if you're just getting $600 and you only make one sale a year, I'm sorry, that's not going to put food in your belly. But if you get 1,000 sales from something like this, that's going to be a lot more for you. All right, just do the math. Basically, what we want to do is to check this out. We want to come over here and read through it. Make sure that it is legit. Some of these are, some of these aren't, and it's up to you to make sure that it's something worthwhile. And then what you want to do is join the network, or share. You can go over here to join the network, and you can see what the pages look like. Okay. You can go over here and click share, and you can share that over here on social media. Okay. But we want to do something else. Okay. We want to get the affiliate link for this. So the best way that you could do that is hit join the network and sign up here, and then you can get your affiliate link. Okay. After you get your affiliate link, you come over here to bit.ly and you shorten that link. Then you grab that link, all right? And then you want to set that aside. I'd paste it into like a notepad or something, okay? The next thing you want to do on how to market your products or your affiliate links on Facebook without getting banned is you go over to a website called freeplrdownloads.com. Now, freeplrdownloads.com has ebooks that you can download, and you can use it however you want. You get the rights to it. Okay, I do believe there's some videos too, so you can do videos as well. But let's concentrate on the ebooks for the sake of this video. I might do the video PLRs later on, but for now, let's work on this. So the next thing you want to do is you'll see a bunch of advertisements on here. Everybody needs to make a buck or two, right? Don't click this, that's an ad. Don't click this, that's also an ad. What you want to do is come down here to this button here. This is also an ad. Don't click on that. you want to click on this one right here. Click on this one that says download. You click on that, and then you get the book, all right? After it gets downloaded, you want to come over to this site called Seja.com PDF editor, or any other PDF editor that you would like to have. So the next thing you want to do is to use this site to go ahead and edit that PDF that you got. Edit a document in PDF. So you want to hit upload a PDF document. All right, so after it gets downloaded, you have to unzip it. After you unzip it, it kind of looks like this. There's a bunch of different folders in here, and there's a cover, there's a PLR license download, and all this. So the cover are just pictures, but you want to remember where this is because we might use one of these later on in our marketing. So now you take this weight loss tips, okay, and it says upload the PDF. So we want to click that. All right, so you click upload PDF document, and then you want to go ahead and select the document to upload. So you go ahead and do that. And now here it is. Now this is the PDF editor. Within the PDF editor, you'll see 100 weight loss tips, helpful advice to get you started. And it has a table of contents and an introduction and chapter 1. Under chapter 1, what you want to do, it says weight loss beginning with what you drink. What I would do right here is then insert a call to action, such as this product helped me to lose 50 pounds of belly fat in less than 3 months, or something like that. Check it out. Or, yeah, I would say just check it. Well, actually, you know what? Something more strong, Bob. How about view the product here and try it out yourself. It's safe and very effective. All right, probably want to keep it on the white. I don't know why it went over there like that. But anyways, you can get the idea, and I don't know why this thing is starting to mess up, but anyways, you want to use a PDF editor and go ahead and insert your links at least on the top of each and every single page, somewhere where it's visible. I think you can get the idea. After you do that, you save that down, and then you go over to Facebook groups. Okay, obviously that editor sucked. Sorry about that. Normally things when I do things live like that, normally it's pretty good. This is the first time it messed up. I don't know why, but anyways, hey, things happen, so bear with me. There are other editing software out there. But anyways, the whole idea is to get that link and insert it in. And then what you want to do after that is to go over to Facebook groups. With Facebook groups, here's a bunch of different weight loss groups. You need to, what I would do, the strategy here is to go ahead and sign up with about 10 of them a day, but don't do anything for the first couple of days. The next thing you want to do is to go in there and advertise that ebook and give it away for free. Okay? So something along the lines, this ebook blew me away with the amount of information it has. It has helped me lose 50 pounds in 3 months. So go ahead and check it out here. And if you would like the free ebook, contact me here. Or something that's a little bit more engaging would be post a picture of it and say, if you like to lose weight, give this a thumbs up. And in the description below, type free ebook. Something where they will get that engagement. So anytime somewhere or someone posts free ebook, you can go ahead and send them an email or a Facebook message to say, to get this free ebook, please contact me. And set up some sort of conversation with them, some sort of contact. This way, you are not spamming anybody. This way will not get you banned off of Facebook because there's social engagement. Okay? So it is super important. Never ever spam your links on Facebook. It's the number one way of getting you booted off the platform, and we want to avoid that. So I hope you got some information. Again, I do apologize for that PDF thing, but I think you get the point. It's pretty easy to follow. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me where you're from so I can get some engagement here, so I can find some great programs that'll work in your country. And you're probably wondering how you're going to get paid. Well, it's through AF Plus. All right, so make it a great day. Get out there. Go make some money now. It's a super busy day for me, and I need to go to a meeting right now, but I wanted to get this information out to you as quickly as possible. So have a great day and make money now.